Welcome to Recharge Radio. Youth music by youth artists. If you would like to get involved, such as to be a presenter or a reporter, please see DJ Rachel or the deal.
Alright. What's your name?
B Hags.
B Hags. Wanna ask you a few questions. What made you rap? What made you, like start writing lyrics and stuff?
To be honest, I don't really know, but I thought like I've been through a lot of stuff in my life, so I thought I might put like my mind on paper, innit? If you know what I mean.
Yeah. So what background, like, you from hip hop, grime? What type of lifestyle you think like you from?
Well, I started off with grime, and then I thought, because all I talked about is like shooting people, stabbing mans. I didn't even have a gun to my name, to be honest, so I don't know why I was talking about that. So I changed my mind ever since I started listening to Low Key. Started doing like UK hip hop, like meaningful stuff, and like because my uncle got shot dead like for a car radio, because.
So say if I said to name me an artist, who is your biggest, let's say, inspiration?
Immortal Technique, Tupac, and Low Key.
Cool, nice one, man. Thanks for your time. Alright, got KX here. Got another man to interview. What's your name?
Striker.
Striker. Scene, Striker. What type of music you into? Would you write?
I'm into hip hop, rap, bit of like Linkin Park and that. That's what brought me up with. Grew up with that.
So what kicked you off on the route of writing lyrics and rapping? What gave you that huge kick off?
To be honest, I didn't know at first, but then I started feeling like I had a passion for it, and I had such a troublesome mind that I had to just put it all down on the paper, use the pen to.
Alright. I would say that's a lot. Would you say you into a hip hop lifestyle? Because to me it sounds like you expressing your thoughts and everything. It sounds a lot like hip hop, something hip hop would have done.
I'm like a hip hop mixed with like violent rap, kind of aggressive style in a way, and just picked up a lot of other information at the end of it. Yeah.
Cool. So how's I heard you're doing a mixtape with Mr. D, well, a mixtape album. So how's that going?
It's going alright at the moment. Got a couple tracks down on YouTube. I Am and Don't Trust Them.
Digital Jam.
And a digital what? A digital jam.
And working on a few tracks right now at the moment to get a mixtape out, hopefully beginning of next year, hopefully.
Sounds good, man. Thanks for your time. Yeah, I'm gonna interview a talented beatboxer I met randomly, and yeah. What's your name, mate?
Sean.
Sean, nice name. It's my first time actually. Alright, yeah, what got you what kicked you off with the whole beatboxing? What was the inspiration? What got you started?
To be honest, getting in trouble in school is getting sent to isolation room and that when I'm bored, and I just lick down a couple of beats and that's it really.
Oh, nice. Little troublemaker then, yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool, everyone goes through it. I also know, well, you write lyrics, right?
A little bit.
That's good. What type of lyrics, what would you be into, grime, hip hop, or a bit of rap?
More likely grime and that. That's what I'm on.
Pure UK, yeah? Yeah, sounds good. Alright, cool, man. So you laying down a few beats or something, you getting something recorded, anything like that?
Hopefully, yeah. Let's do a couple of things in that.
Let's go for my jacket.
Cool, man. Thanks for your time. Do you want to do a little thing? Little beatbox? No, go for it.
Okay. What's that dubstep?
Do one more. Do one more.
Put them up on side, they put them up on side, they put them up on side, they put them.
That's hard. That's hard. All right, that's a hard. That's hard. All right, cool. Should I interview myself? All right. What's going on, man? So, what's your name? My name's KX.
Let me interview you. Which way do I speak to this side?
Yeah, so we got D Dizzle in the house. I'm just about to interview a local rapper, should I say, that I know. So, what's your name?
KX.
And how old were you when you started doing what you do?
Wow, I was about 15, 14, something like that.
And what inspired you to do that?
It's weird actually. I grew up with hip hop from a very young age, for about age of 10. And then I would never had like an inspiration to write lyrics, but I used to like poetry. I used to love reading poetry. I used to love like, you know, being able to express like the way poetry does. And then eventually, yeah, I started writing poetry a lot. From poetry, I actually went on to lyrics because I thought, you know, rap is pretty much the same thing, slightly different. So yeah.
Okay, and got any big plans for the future? Anything like producing, recording tracks, anything like that?
Yeah, at the moment I've been offered. I'm working with DJ at the moment. Well, I started off with him. I'm starting off like, as an artist, you know, making tracks and stuff, dropping lyrics down, rapping over beats. But yeah, I'm also training to be a producer. So yeah, I'm start producing soon, working with other youths and stuff, working at youth centres, and hopefully I want to bring out mixtapes really, but I want to stay underground, nothing mainstream, because to me it's all about the underground.
So in a way you want to be more individual. You want to do what you do, what other people do as well, but in a way you want to do it in an individual way.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be all.
You don't want to be the next 50 Cent or the next Get or whatever you would say, P Money or whatever.
No, it's not that. It's just I think like everyone who's gone commercial, or let's say gone towards the industry, you know, try to make it big, you know, through the media and everything. I mean, you know, no disrespect. I mean, it's good, you know what I mean? I respect them. They got talent. But obviously, for me, I think I wouldn't want to go mainstream. I have a slightly different background, a slightly different mission. You know, I'm not really out there for the fame, for the big, you know, I'm a big rap star. You know, no money thing. I mean, I have my own like opinions and stuff, you know, so I don't want to be too opinionated people like saying, oh, you know, KX is all like this and that, keep himself. But I mean, yeah, I just wanna do what hip hop used to be. How hip hop started is what I want it to be. So I want to bring back the old days.
And who would you say is your biggest inspiration?
Biggest inspiration, I would say, would be actually really weird. Because I'll tell you what, it started off really weird. As I was into hip hop, it kind of kicked off like with a bit of like NWA type thing, and then it went weirdly onto like Puff Daddy, tell you straight. I mean, I know he's not really a hip hop thing, but I mean, and then from there it kind of went on to The Game, and then Tupac. I mean, he was a big thing, and then from there just gradually. I mean, I haven't had a favorite big inspiration so far. At the later stages, it's been Loki. I really think that guy should. I think he's underrated, to be honest. Yeah. I think he's really like he needs to. People need to know about him. So yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much for coming into the studio. We've just going on a break now, so yeah, D Dizzle is out. See ya.
Recharge Radio. Youth music by youth artists.